Hi everyone, my name is Google and today I'm going to show you how to create royalty-free music using AI for free. First go to Beatoven.ai, then click on the sign up button. A sign up page will open, then enter your email address and a new strong password and then click on the sign up button. Then open your email, there should be a new email from Beatoven.ai in your inbox. Open it, then click on the verify by email button. Wait for a few seconds. Now enter your profession, industry and team size and then check the terms of use and privacy policy box and then click on the get started button. Now click on the plus button and then enter a name for the track and the length of the track and how fast the track should be. Now click on the next button. Now select the genre you want for the track. I'm gonna select hip hop and then click on the apply button. Now select the emotion you want for the track. Let's say motivation and click on the apply button. Wait for a few seconds. That's it, your track is now generated. Listen to the track. If you're not satisfied with it, try the others in the alternate track section. If that's also not enough, you can generate new tracks using the same parameters. All you have to do is click on the get new tracks button. Or you can make edits to the current track by changing the instruments, genre and tempo settings. And then clicking on the compose track button. If you want to download the generated track to your device, click on the download track button and select the file format you want and then click on the download button. Wait for a few seconds and then select the place where you want to save the file and then click on the save button.